So and now we are going to draw the the green color, just like this. Maybe I should put a little bit of just a little bit. This is it. Okay, and now let's keep drawing. And remember one thing, that the more your pencil head is thinner is, the darker the line will be. Okay, just remember this. And then this green one is also here. Okay, and then this still light green one, and I should also sharpen this one too. And now this part of the drawing, just like this. And one thing more, don't mess up with your drawing, because if you mess up little bit of drawing, you're done. Your drawing will not look so good. Okay, just make sure it's look good. Take time and be patient to your drawing, and then it will become the favorite drawing of yours. Okay, and now I think use this pink color. So let's use the pink color here, just like this. I think I need to sharpen my pencil. Okay, it's not that much, but it will work. And one more thing, don't go to my English, because my English is not good as you guys. So if you don't go to my English, I'll be very happy. And now also this part over here,